No start diagnosis. Customer stuck in rain.
...2008 Nissan Rogue starter replacement. Customer called us with a no start. Lights were illuminating on the dash. Had a little faint click. We were thinking dead battery at first, but we probed it right down here at the main power wire, and she was getting the full 12 volts. Flywheel actually looks pretty good. Flex plate looks good. So anyway, on these Rogues, you got 2 bolts holding the starter in and a guide pin. You can see them on the housing there. One up top, one below, and in the middle you have a guide pin. Then you got this heavy wire here. That's the heavy feed 12 volts direct. Then that plug connector next to it with the orange rubber gasket, that's the signal wire. This one was original. This one was definitely original. The strap here deteriorated. And you've got your 12 millimeter for the power wire. If you take a pocket screwdriver, you can get in there with your hand and push in on this for the signal wire and pull that connector out. Then you've got the upper and lower bolts. We're working a short 6.16 mil on that. We used a slight wobble at the end with a series of extensions to reach that. It's a lot further in there than it looks. Customer went with a Duralast replacement. Remanufactured, I believe. And just reverse steps for that after. For installation is the same as taking it out. Make sure you disconnect your positive and negative battery terminals. And we'll see you on the next one. So be careful when doing a replacement on the Rogue starter. If you're getting a reman, the connector for the start signal wire may be about an inch shorter. If so, remove the connector on the harness side from the bracket there with that little plastic tab, so you can get the connector closer to the starter, and then you'll have enough to plug in the connector wire. Don't forget to secure the connector back to the tab using a zip tie or something, whatever you can get it secured with. Pump the key and see what you got. Look at that, guys. Good as new. Probably some water from when it was raining down. What's that?
Fired up instantly.
Oh, I know. That sounded good too. It was a good clean. The electric motor on that starter sounded really good. Yep, fired right up, man. Let this thing warm up. I'll throw your wheel back on, and you can finally drive home.